So there is a story of Sanjay.
Yeah.
And this is a real story. So Krishna and Arjuna were in the war field, right? And they were having a conversation. And Sanjay was sitting far away. He was not in the war field. He was sitting miles away. And he was able to perceive the conversation that happened between Krishna and Arjuna. How? That was intuition. So that is exactly I feel it's the same knowledge that has come down back to our generation for our children to learn. And going down again, there is a story of Rishi Bharadwaja. So once he sat with, I heard the story, that he sat with 80,000 students. And he asked everybody to meditate. So everybody sat with their eyes closed. And then he asked every child, what came to you? And then that child spoke something about some herbs. And the second child said, I saw something green. And the herb's name is this. And it's very good for the throat. And that's how the science of Ayurveda came up. That's how Ayurveda was downloaded as poetry. So it's real. And in our country, these things have always existed. Right? Before even the Wright brothers, the Pushpaka Viman came in. They had vehicles that used to fly. So science was very advanced in our country. And it was students who were able to download this information, to perceive this information, and to perform to their maximum limits. So India has always been a very intelligent race, and it's high time that the world comes forward, picks up the best from each part of the world. And I think meditation is the gift that India has given to the whole world. And there's nothing to do with religion. It's just about being with yourself, dealing with yourself in a better way. And I think every child needs to be gifted this knowledge of intuition.